Everyone knows Germany is the first best destination for international students in Europe. When the spotlight is on Germany, there is one other country which is slowly rising. Like this country also has a very good stay back option. It has a very good PR policy. It has many English taught programs and it offers an affordable education. So which country am I talking about? It is France. France is supposed to be the next best country which is good for higher education and also on immigration grounds. Let's deeply dive into it. Over the past few years, France has doubled its effort in bringing up international students. So, by the year 2027, their target is to bring at least 5 lakh international immigrants to them. So, what sign is this? This is about they need immigrants for them to develop their country. So, this is the right time for us to explore that country as well. So, they have almost 1600 plus English taught programs ranging from management to AI and from aerospace to fashion. They have all programs. Now, also they have 2 years of post-study work visa after your graduation. The tuition fee of the universities, mainly the public universities, are ridiculously low. They charge you only around 2,500 to 3,000 euros, which is definitely affordable in terms of education in Europe. So now what does France have for you? They have an affordable studies and you have time to work and settle over there, which is actually rare in Europe. What courses are best in France? France has the best of engineering and technology programs like AI, data science, cybersecurity, electrical, renewable energy, aerospace, and also mechanical related. So, which universities are best for this? Ecole Polytechnique, which is IIT of France, and you have INSA Lyon, which has programs related to mechanical, electrical, and civil related. And IMT Atlantic is known for the technology and digital innovation programs. What the business management specializations like global business, supply chain management, finance related, digital marketing, and luxury brand management. These are best in France. And which institutes offers you these programs is Ecole Polytechnique, EDEC, ESSEC, Neoma, Ketch Business School are the best institutions which offers business related programs for you. Next is design, fashion, UX and gaming. These are the areas where France will outshine any other country. The best universities offering you these programs would be IFA Paris, LISAA, Ecole de Conde and Strait School of Design. Next you have hospitality, culinary and tourism. Le Cordon Bleu, which is the Harvard of hospitality industry, is the best in France for your hospitality related programs. So what is the cost of your studies in France? If you go with a public university, your tuition fee will marginally be around say 2,500 to 3,500 euros per year. And if it is going to be a private university, be it equal related programs, it is costing you say around 10,000 euros to 15,000 euros per year. But this is worth it for your business management degree because these are supposed to be the world ranking business schools. So now comes with the cost of living for you. If you choose up a university in Paris, then your cost of living is slightly higher on the side, would be around say 1,000 to 1,200 euros per month. If you choose with other locations, this might be comparatively lesser, say around 700 to 900 euros per month. So this is about on the cost side. So how do you manage these expenses? The only way out is to do your part times. You get to have at least around 20 hours in a week part time during your study in the France country. So with this you will be able to manage your food and stay expenses. There is one other advantage which the France government gives you, which is called as CAF housing allowance. So this allowance is for say 150 to 250 euros you get monthly in support by the France government for you. Along with this, you also have scholarship options offered by the France universities, which is EFL scholarships. You get up to 1,180 euros per month. You have Chartpak by French Embassy, which is purely for Indian students, and Campus France Excellence Scholarship is there for you, which is mentioned for overseas education, for international students studying in France. What is the post-study work visa in France? You get 2 years of post-study work visa after your graduation. This is the time for you to look for a job, and if you get a job, you can continue working over there. So you get 2 years of ample time for you to look for opportunities. So once when you get a job during this time frame, the next move is to swap it into a work permit. So you can work there for a furthermore 2 or 3 more years And then once when you cross the 5 years limit, including your study duration, you are eligible to apply for your PR. So France is in need of immigrants from the STEM related background. So if you are exploring the European Union for a long-term benefit of getting settled over there, then France is naturally a very good choice for you to consider. Now it's about the application step-by-step process. So how do you know which universities to choose? What are the programs offered? The site that you will have to refer for is Campus France. This site will have the entire programs of various universities offered to you. So log into the site, filter the English Thought programs. Now understand which programs you can choose. Don't randomly make any selection. Choose programs according to your course interest and which aligns with your overall profile. So first understand what are the programs that you are planning to apply, and again there will be two routes for you to process your application. Some universities might take up your application directly, some process it through the Campus France website. So the Campus France fee is for 18,000 rupees that you will have to remit, and only then you can process your application. So once when you process the applications, you will have to upload your educational documents, your 10th standard mark sheet, 12th mark sheet, your college mark sheets, your IELTS scorecard if available, your statement of purpose, your letters of recommendation, your passport. All this has to be in a legible scanned copy. Do not take up a random scanned copies and then upload it, so which will get disqualified by the Campus France interview. Now once when you upload all your documents, then you will be called up for an either online or an offline interview by the Campus France authorities. Only once when they complete their interview, the admissions letter would be processed. So once when you get your admit letter, then the next step is to process your visa. Upon receiving your admit letter, what is the next step? It is your visa. So what are the documents that you would be requiring to apply for your long-term stay visas are your passport, your admit letter, and the no objection certificate issued by the Campus France authorities, your financial documents, mainly to cover your food and stay and your tuition expenses. So along with this, you should submit your insurance copy, your educational documents, and the major documents are these. If there is any additional documents asked by the France consulate, you will have to submit that. So once when your visas are approved, the next step is to book your flights and depart. That's it. So to sum up, France is a very good country towards studies and on even getting settled on a longer run. So I believe this video would have helped you in a complete information from the university shortlisting and the programs offered, your application procedure until your visas. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe so that we can help you out more in our future videos. Thank you.